Intraday trading is bad. Buy here, sell there. What? No, don't do this. Put a stop loss here. Risk reward ratio. Alright, it's bad. 100% traders make loss. No, intraday is bad. Don't do this. Don't do that.
Alright guys, that was a small acting from my side to show you guys that how a trader will be affected by various factors or from the environment. So I just wanted to show that. So I'm a bad actor, or I'm just learning acting, so I just did a small part from my side. But anyways, the message was to show you guys that how a day trader will be affected, or different thought process hits your mind. So in this particular video, I will tell about my thought process or my mindset, how I exactly think in different situations, and how I deal with these type of situations where we get a lot of advices and lectures and all those things from different sources. So now I will tell you three important factors which will connect all the points. So these are 3 points which I learned long back when I used to read books and stuff on international author books. So I read these 3 points on which I have worked a lot on them. So now I feel it's a good thing to share with you guys, because it's not just learning, okay? So not just materialistic learning, even the thought process. The mind is a big player in this stock market, or for a day trader basically. So how much ever you learn, how much ever knowledge you gain, if you can't control your mind, automatically things will not go to the next level, okay? Or you don't become that better, okay? The expectations may not go that much. So what should be your mindset, or what should be your thought process? You can decide. I will just share my point of view. So see what do I think, and if you want to add or minus something, you can take a decision. So according to me, there are 3 things which I concentrate. That is the psychology things. That is your confidence. Second one is patience. Third one is discipline. So this is the 3 things which I read long back, and I'm working on them every time, and I feel I'm better in these things. So first is confidence, second is patience, third is discipline. So keep these 3 points in mind. We will discuss one by one. So talking about the first point, confidence. So confidence is a very important factor, because see, now in a life, whenever imagine you going out or somewhere, someone from this side will say that, hey, look at your face, hey, look at your teeth, hey, look at your hair, or look at your personality, look at your tummy, or something like that. When they say, you lose your confidence. Alright, so you don't feel like going there, you feel like you're left out, and you ask people, am I looking good in this t-shirt, am I looking good, is my hairstyle fine? You've seen that people asking this question, or ourselves asking this question in different factors. I'm just giving example on appearance. So confidence matter a lot in life. Same way, if you are confident, if you know yourself, alright, same way in trading, okay? So if you don't have confidence, okay, that is when you will lose a lot of things. When you don't even know the product, right? Just like in our life, when we don't know how we look. So if you stand in front of the mirror and see, this is how my eyes is, this is how my nose is, this is how my mouth is, I am looking like this, okay? So once you know yourself, once you know you are like this, automatically when someone says, hey, you are like this, when they say that, you say, I know that, that's a normal thing, and I know that already. So when you know yourself, when everything is already known, your confidence level goes up, right? Automatically, in whichever stage you go, or whichever, whether you're good looking or bad looking, or you're weak in English or good in English, automatically you will step ahead, okay? Your confidence goes up when you understand yourself. Same way in trading, confidence level is low because you don't know about the product, you don't know what is trading, you don't know what are the tools, you don't know what are the many factors. Just like you don't know yourself, no confidence. Same way you don't know about trading, that's why in trading you don't have confidence. So building that confidence, how do you build confidence? By knowing what is your weaknesses, understanding what is your strength, what is your game plan, what is your strategy, how are you going to learn these things, what are the real factors in the market. Now in confidence also there are I would say overconfidence, or I would say true confidence or false confidence. Now when I say confidence, doesn't mean that, okay, I'm looking good, yes, without knowing yourself, by saying no, I'm great, I'm awesome, is not good. By understanding what you are, yes, you have something good in me, there is something bad in me. By knowing these 2 factors, when you go out, someone say you're good at this, you will be like, yes, thank you. When someone say you're bad at this, you will be like, yeah, I know that, thank you so much. Alright, so that is your confidence. Same in trading, it's not just making profit will make you confident. When you enter a trade, when you know the fact that all the parameters which you're putting will bring you to profit zone, but also you should be aware that maybe 10-20 chances it can go against me and I can make a loss. So when you are having this type of acceptance that I have some weakness, I have something good thing in the market, maybe you do profit every day, 2 days you make a loss, your confidence will not go down because you knew that you want to make a loss once in a while. So that is how a confidence comes. Confidence is not that every day if I make profit only my confidence will go up. No, that's a false confidence. Accepting that I have weakness, accepting that I have strength, working on those strength and working with your strength. Okay, if you're good in English, go talk in English. If you're good in dancing, go to dancing. Don't go do singing over there and make a fool out of yourself. Same if you're good at buying in stock market, do buying more than selling. Or if you're good at selling, do selling more than buying. Don't just because someone is doing buying and selling, you also don't do buying and selling. Alright. So understand what is your strength and then enter into the market. So just like how we have confidence in life, automatically our confidence in trading has to be worked on differently. Alright, 2 different parameters. So automatically that confidence comes, you will boost yourself. Automatically you will not divert when people say this is not bad, intraday is bad, don't take a share like this, don't take this particular stock, don't do this, don't do that. You'll stop listening to that and you will listen to yourself because you're confident for what you are and what you are doing. So that is more about confidence. Second one was patience. Okay, so patience, when we talk about patience in life, you see a lot of people, elderly people have a lot of patience. Okay, so in any situation they don't get hyper, they don't get angry, or else they will not get excited when they see something. So why do they get that? One is from experience. Because of life experience, life has taught them different situations. So experience has taught them to be in patience, okay, calm and cool and all that. Second one is maturity. You've seen few people at a very young age, they have very good maturity. It's not that maturity came suddenly into their head. They have worked upon understanding what is good, understanding what is bad, what they have to do, what they have not to do. That type of thinking they have done, little research they have done. So they choose to be calm, they choose to be patient. So one comes by experience, one comes by maturity. Now put the same thing in trading. In trading, yes, if you're trading for long years, automatically you will get that patience level in trading. Another way, in a young age, if you want to learn, then that maturity has to come. Now how will you get that maturity? When you understand things, when you understand this side and that side of the market. You can make money in the market, you can lose money in the market. By understanding all the factors, just like patience, getting patience in life. When you get profit, not getting too much of excitement. When you make losses, not feeling bad, getting angry, headache, fighting with family, friends and shutting down yourself. No. So your emotions will not fluctuate, be like our Nifty volatile market like this, not like this. Your graph should be small variation only. Okay, your emotions should be in a normal position in terms of trading. So if you put too much of emotion, excitement, greed and all those things, it should go in proper level. So why I tell patience is very important in trading is because see, the difference between a good trader and a bad trader. When I say good trader, is making more of good trades or profit trades compared to loss trades, and a bad trader more of loss trades and few good trades. Okay, so good trader, bad trader. The difference between them is both know the same knowledge, both have the same technicals, both have strategy. But imagine, for example, a bad trader. Let's have a technical tool like RSI. As soon as an RSI, when we open the graph, he wants to take a trade. He just wants to dump into trade, take a trade, buy here. I just want to take trade. But an experienced trader, a trader who has patience, what does he do? He will wait for the RSI to come down. When it comes down, what will happen in the oversold area? Now there are small chances it can go up. He enters his trade over there rather than taking a position in the top. Like a bad trader who doesn't have patience, as soon as he opens the market, he wants to take a trade. No matter which top gainer or which stock it is there, he wants to take. No. A patience trader from morning, let's say 9:30, maybe 12 o'clock, he took his first trade because he was waiting for the right opportunity, right dip, right levels. So that patience has to develop. It's a habit type. So you cannot say from tomorrow onwards, I'm going to have full of patience, I'm going to do it. No. It's a habit. So develop that level of patience in you. Just like in our life, when we get mature, so either by experience you get patience or by maturity. Same in trading, either trade more and get that patience level in you, or if you want to be quick, get that maturity by learning and reading and applying on yourself. So that was more about this patience factor. Last one is the discipline. Now, discipline is the hardest part, I would say, because every trader, you've seen discipline is must. Army people, they have a proper discipline how they do. Same with trading needs a proper discipline. Now the thing is, now for example, let me take myself in terms of health. So my goals in life are health, wealth and happiness. Okay, healthy, wealthy, happy. So in terms of wealth, I'm doing all these stuffs and all those stuff. In terms of health, I'm going to gym and all that. But in gym also, I have to eat my food on time. I have to eat so much portion of food only. So if I don't eat so much of portion of food, instead of eating so much of biryani on a cheat day, I'll have so much of biryani. I'll have oil kebab, I'll have junk food, KFC, everything I will have. Automatically what will happen? You will lose your health, you will lose your track. So you broke your discipline. If you would have dieted properly, you would have been proper and I would have had six pack by now. But anyways, I'm breaking my discipline in terms of health. Same way, when you guys break your discipline in trading, 0.3% was a target example, but you broke it, you waited because of greediness and you didn't achieve it one day. Or maybe you had a proper plan of entry, you had a proper plan that 10:30 I will trade. You were like, today 9:30 I will do it off. You know that if I do ABC, I'm gonna make a mistake. That was your rule. But today you felt, let me take a chance. You broke your discipline. Okay, discipline, will come within ourselves. Nobody can, tell. One thing is like we teach animals discipline with stick, because humans we cannot do that. So it is very difficult to handle ourselves. So a lot of people sit at home these days and tell, when they're working in office, they used to say, we don't have time to do videos, we don't have time to do trading. If I get a chance, I will do a lot if I'm sitting at home. But when they're sitting at home, what they're doing now? They're not able to do it. The reason is because of discipline, not because they couldn't do when they were in office. If they could spend some time, proper rules and regulations, they could have done some videos or trading. Same way, now they have all the time, but they're getting lazy. So discipline is a factor which changes a successful person and a normal person. So if you apply this type of discipline in your trading by saying that I'm gonna learn so and so thing, I'm gonna trade at this time, this is my rule, one trade per day, I'm not gonna do my second trade, 0.3% is my target, I'm not going ahead of that. These are my weaknesses. I will never try these type of things in the market because I learned a lesson before. Okay, so the discipline has to come within you. All those factors what you learn and you apply a discipline. Maybe you don't have discipline in life. I normally get up late. My mom has to wake me up in the morning. That's how my day starts. But in terms of wealth, I'm applying my discipline, because if I'm putting my discipline, I make more money. Okay. So try to put discipline in terms of your trading. So these are 3 points. That is, first one is your confidence, second one is your patience level, and third one is your discipline. So every psychological things revolve around these 3 things. A beautiful thing what I read in the early stage of my life, and I'm working on them, still I'm improving on them. Every day I'm fighting with myself, with all these psychological factors. So try to work on these things. It's a very broader thing. So if you don't think from now on, it's very difficult for you guys. So start thinking in a broader way, work on these things. You can see a lot of changes in you. Yes, the knowledge is important. Along with this, these mindset and thought process is very important, so that tomorrow when you take people will ask, how come you're so much confident? How come you don't get deviated from different people talking? And how come you're doing it so well without affecting yourself? So mindset is very important. So start working on yourself. I just shared my thought process. I hope the video is not too long. So I felt like sharing with you guys. If you like such type of videos, sharing my things with you guys experience, then hit that like button. How you liked my recent videos, so much of likes and lot of comments and lot of watch time. So I see a lot of support. So I feel very excited to share more about me, because I see more views and likes on the videos which I share about me. So I'll try to share more on those type of contents, my style of doing things, my things and my trading, my indicators and my experience, which is very easy for me to tell. So we'll do more on that, and also we will do learning videos. So see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.